Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so ChatGPT can help you create an entire YouTube video from start to finish, including ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. So first we need to generate a video idea. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a list of 20 video ideas about technology. Now it's going to spit out the top 20 list of videos ideas about technology that we can make. So we can go ahead and sort through these and find things you're interested in. Then once we've chosen a topic, we want to go ahead and give it another script. So I'm going to say here, write a 5-minute YouTube script about how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Now ChatGPT can generate the introduction, the main content, step-by-step instructions, conclusion, and call to action. Then from here, we can go ahead and create a video title. So we can say create 10 SEO optimized YouTube titles for scripts. Now being SEO optimized, you're going to get more search traffic as well. So that's what I like to do when I create videos. Then we can go through the list and choose the optimized titles for that script. Then we want to go ahead and generate a description. So I'm going to ask it to write an SEO friendly YouTube description for this video. So ChatGPT can create a description that helps viewers and search engines understand your content. And obviously you can tweak all these as well, so you don't have to go exactly what they do. This is good for outlining and giving you good ideas. You can make changes and ask it to change things as well. So you ask where it says ask anything. Say if I want to remove helpful resources, say can you move helpful resources or add to it. Now after this, we want to go ahead and create some YouTube tags. It's not that important, but it does help if you are a newer channel starting out. It probably adds an extra 5% traffic to your videos I've found. So I want to go ahead and create 15 YouTube tags for this video. Sometimes it will do it in the description as well, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and send this prompt. So now these tags prioritize the highest volume search phrases while staying highly relevant to the video topic. Now, after we've done that, we want to go ahead and create a YouTube concept for this idea. So go ahead and ask that. So create a YouTube thumbnail concept for this video. So it's going to give us a rundown of what it should look like. We can also ask it to give us if you use a Leonardo or a different AI model to make your thumbnails, you can say, for example, give me a thumbnail prompt for Leonardo. So I can go ahead and copy this and paste that inside of Leonardo, and it's going to go ahead and do that. And also we can add these negative prompt terms as well. And obviously we can edit all this. Now from here, this is where the fun part begins. So we can use Canva Video Editor, CapCut Desktop, Clipchamp, or Premiere Pro, whichever video software, and then we can paste the script, add the images, video clips, transitions, and background music. We can also create an AI voiceover, which is purely optional, so we can use 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice on 11 Labs, which I suggest doing these days, because I've heard 11 Labs are going to be adding in this synth ID, which YouTube's going to be able to tell if your video has been made using a voice AI model, or we can use PlayHT or even Chatterbox to create that AI voiceover. Then from there, basically, we want to go ahead and upload your YouTube video. So you want to go to YouTube Studio or create a channel, and then upload your video, and then add those titles, descriptions, thumbnails that you created, tags, and even playlist. Now, if you want a simple all-in-one prompt, we can also do this. So I've got a prompt here that you can copy. So create a complete YouTube video package about, so insert your topic, including a script, SEO, title, description, 15 tags, thumbnail text, and thumbnail ideas. So I'm going to add in a topic here. So I want to say time travel, and then hit enter. Now what it's going to do, this allows ChatGPT to generate nearly everything you need for a YouTube video in a single prompt. Just obviously go through the prompt and make changes as needed.